Oh iya, ininya di linknya di ini dulu. Ntar bro, ini bagus loh kualitasnya loh. Aduh. Udah yuk. Medium easy. Gin story and explore the island of Tsushima with minimal challenge. For player unafraid of death or brave enough to face the ultimate challenge. Enggak lah ya, yang medium aja yuk. English dialogue with English subtitle. Samurai Cinema. Set black and white filter Japanese dialogue and English subtitle. Inspired by. Oh, ini jadi kayak film pak. Kurosawa mau ini aja lah ya, subtitle. Yuk, ini dia.
Mongol Empire is invading our home.
Bagus kan? Ini bagus.
Relentless.
Wait, kok bagus banget ya?
Unstoppable.
Biasanya stream gak gini loh. Biasanya jelek.
We are 80 samurai against an army. Fighting
Against an army.
slowly invasion. Today, I die for my people. There must be thousands.
Halo, ya kan si Boti lagi muncul. Iya, aku kirim tadi ya linknya ya.
And defend our home.
Tradition. Courage.
Siapa nih?
They are
Samurai.
We are the warriors of Tsushima. We are samurai! Nodadachi.
Lord Adachi. Adachi saha? Adachi siapa sih? Betul, ini gamenya seru loh. Iya, aku tahu Pak. Reviewnya juga bagus soalnya. Perang terus WKWK, iya, karena kan game perang nih. Nih,
Outsiders! Send your finest warrior to face me! Nada! Jinlina.
oke. Ini Mongol.
I am Harunobu Adachi, descendant of the legendary Yoshinobu Adachi.
Nanti dibakar. Udah nggak usah spoiler lu. Kejam ya konsepnya ya.
Samurai! Do you surrender? Deserve no mercy. No mercy! Fire! For Tsushima!
Oke, kita main nih. Seru pak. Ini awal loh. Ini mukul otak. Udah. Gimana? Lari dah. Agak ngeri juga ya. Aduh. Montage dong, Pap. Montage apa sih? Aku sering denger cuma nggak ngerti itu montage maksudnya apaan. Oke. Nih pemimpinnya kayaknya nih. Kayak ini. Lord Shimura. Ini rajanya nih kayaknya nih.
We must hunt down the Mongol leader. Everyone, retreat! No Mongol, don't
Yuk, gas.
hunt them down!
Saya udah. Oh gampang pak, di Legend kok susah banget ya. Main online-nya kok susah banget ya. Ininya gampang. Fabio iya. Udah itu biarin. Oh gampang ya. Apa masih awal ya? Ini kan baru awal jadi gampang. Hah. Gila. Udah pernah main sih saya. Main yang ini Legend. Ini ini musuh. Ayo Lord. Mana Lord? Lah, udah tinggal berdua doang. Buset. Tinggal berdua. Fabio. Ya yang bikin Fabio kan si Ijul. Fabio ya, itu saya pakai aja namanya nickname buat nickname. Fabio bagus juga tuh. Fabio kayaknya. Oh ini berarti pamannya. Oke, omnya. Oke. Gampang. Oh. Di bom tuh. Seperti itu. Dipanah itu. Au. Sakit, Pak. Berarti kalah dong. Kok ngeri banget, Mas. Empat menit lagi aku cabut. Ya udah mulai lagi. Hah? Apaan? Mulai apa? Maksudnya? 4 menit. Ya udah nggak apa. Aku kan sekolah, emang kamu libur. Oh, kamu sekolah. Oh. Hmm. Aduh. Leluhur kita, kakek-kakek kita. Ntar kita pakai yang ini kali ya. Anak-anaknya atau cucunya kali ya. Kan tadi yang jin-jin itu kan udah mati. Terus ini pemimpinnya udah mati. Ini game sih realistis banget sampai keringat pun dibikin. Iya, betul. Oh, ini apa? Ya kan mati kan si jinnya. Berarti kita pakai siapa dong? Oh, belum. Ya udah kita pakai jin berarti. Kirain saya pakai keturunannya. Keturunannya si jin sama si Shimura tadi. Hidup lagi kan namanya Ghost. Gimana sih? Ya, iya benar juga sih. Nah, kan kalau setan mah bisa mati, buat. Loh. Ini bagus pak, ini pak. Di live streaming juga bagus sih. Kita diselamatin sama siapa pak? Itu Mongol semua loh. Squeeze tuh. Oke, sini. Kita aman. Footsteps. Open. Oke. Mana pedang kita? Pedang kita mana? Aku cabutnya udah mulai. Cabutnya nggak apa-apa. Aku paling ntar kamu kelar, aku masih live streaming kayaknya. Di mana? Oh, ini. Mayama. Ini apa? Live house. Nggak ada pedang. Aduh. Buset, itu udah tua. Ini siapa? Lokal. Shio Domini apa? What? Sepi lagi. Tadi sempat 3. 2. Yuna. Yuna. Oke, main lagi kita. Oke. Hehehe, ketahuan. Ya, sudah. Set. Ini tinggal satu samurai ya berarti. Hah? First person. Loh. Oh. Oke. Berarti tadi diapain ya? Berarti Lord Shimura nggak mati ya? Dipukul biasa doang kayaknya itu. Ya. Kita ngambil pedangnya dulu kan. Aduh. Rada ngeri ya. Aduh. Ini Mongol itu. Oke. Ups. Oh iya Mongol. Pedangnya mana it's. Kenapa? Oh, nutupin ya, betul. Pintar. Oh, oke. Ups. Oh no. Halo? Simplif. Enggak tahu kakak. Steps. Iya. Ntar lu mas. On the rooftop. Oh ini Yuna. Kok rada ngeri ya? Masuk. Supply. Biar cuma dapat itu. Cuma dapat 15. Mana sini turun sini kan. Taruh dah. Ini kayaknya brightness ini monitor. Dah. Supply. Taruh. Masih ada nggak? Udah nggak ada ya? Udah. Ayo. Oke. Bukan pintu, itu pintu. Bukan. Ini. Ini apa? Ini pedangnya. Oke. Ya. Kecil. Oke, waktu kecil.
I am no coward! Your enemy is no match for you. What? Still lack control. I was practicing. With your father's weapon. Sword of time is save the lives.
Ini waktu ini berarti masih latihan ya. Oke. Ya, pakai pedang kayu. Quick attack, step attack. Ups. Dah. Well done. Oke. Striker. Berarti kalau samurai harus dua-duanya siap, Pak. Kagak bisa nusuk dari belakang. Pakai kakek. Tua, bro. Alright. Oke. Enggak susah. Oke, bisa nge-heal. This is your help. Oke. Oke. Kayak ultinya gitu ya. Ya, basic lah. Oh, parry. Sabar, bro. Oke, ini dia. Emang harus bener-bener, Pak. Nggak gampang nih.
Need to catch your breath. Let's see the
Spear.
Dodge my spear and follow up.
Buset,
Good reflex.
itu tajam. Ujungnya, oh iya pak. Oke. Alright,
Vulnerable
that's
after
it.
attacking. Excellent counter.
Udah. Nafsuan.
Thank you for these lessons.
First to land 5 strikes gets to choose.
I hope you like octopus.
Oke. Ini gimana? Tar dulu. Nah, that's it. Gak susah kan?
Before we leave, I have one last question. The generations of founders have lived by a code. Tell me the virtues that guide us.
Loyalty to the Lord. Control over our emotions. Honor. To fight bravely and uphold the legacy of Clan Sakai.
Clan Sakai.
This is a father's wishes. What does honor mean to you?
Others. Protecting people. The ones who can't fight for themselves.
You have a good heart.
Okay.
But first, we must show everyone that we save our land with courage, integrity, and self-control.
You say that like it's easy.
It's never easy, Ginger. I struggle with it every day. But we must set an example for our people by remaining true to our code and to ourselves. That is a looming honor.
Oke. Ya, duel. Alah, beginian doang. Sini lu. Kan?
Where can I find a horse?
Stables on the back. This way.
Buset, kok lincah banget sih gerakannya. Tuh. Oke. Follow you now.
Where are the stables?
Belakang sini ya. Jadi iya. Kayak kode kerasnya gitu ya.
Face me, invader!
Nggak boleh dari belakang, bro, nyerangnya. Oh, udah.
I'm done running, and I can finally help.
Hey,
Don't let anyone escape.
aduh, ke ini. Special move-nya apa ya, by the way? Halo, pencet apa ini? Kok nggak bisa sih ini? Heal. Nggak gitu gampang banget sih.
Stay off the roads. And guard your son with your life.
You risked your life for them.
And defend ourselves. Let all of our people die.
They're not the only ones who need you.
Ya semua butuh kita.
Mongols too.
That's what we say.
Samurai terakhir kan sama Lord Shimura itu.
I just want my brother back.
I hope you find him after I say so. I promise.
I'm coming with you.
Oke. Yuk.
Stables are just ahead.
Ini oh ini bisa nih. Nah supply. Bakar. Naik. Cari supplies dulu bro. Ini apa? Oh dari attack. Oh gitu. Mana Monggolsnya mana? Oh itu. Halo. Ya ilah. Kena damage pak. Ah mati nih. Mati nih. Mati ini begini. Lu lihat darahnya, lihat nih. Yang mana mas? Putih kali ya, putih ya. Mana? Oh ini foto mode. Aku pilih yang putih lah. Deluxe Horse. Oke. Yang digital deluxe yang mana? Oh ini pak. Iya ini pak. Soalnya saya beli yang digital deluxe edition. Bagusan yang putih ya inilah. Ayo. Nobu Sora Kage. Nobu bagus sih Nobu. Kage Nobu, lucuan Nobu, lebih lucu. Nobu, trust, yes, dah Nobu. Gila, bagus ya kudenya ya. Komoda Tau. Canada. Okay. Yeah.
Walls are too hard to climb. The crew calls it destruction. Sneaky.
You walk in frustrated.
Buset.
Sometimes the fire towards west soldiers. Humiliated by Bangkok. Butcher to warriors at Tsushima. I'm going to repay his kindness.
You're repeating the same mistakes that your friends did.
That's what the man was thinking. This is first. Wait here until I finish this.
Oke, halo Monggol. Halo. Apa ini? Stand off. Oke. Jadi bisa ini ya.
I've come for Lord Shimura.
Oke. Oh gitu. Ayo sini lu. Nggak, ini susah pak, buat nge-parry itu susah. That's it. And suffering. Ya, of course cuma 3. Kalau rame juga saya nggak kuat.
What's all that noise?
Not sure. Almost fighting.
Oh, Wait. Lagi. Sini kau. Lah, mati. Lu, buset, apaan itu petasan? Open dulu. I'm looking for supplies. Oh gila, orang masuk loh dia loh.
We can't keep going.
I have to. Fall back.
Alone?
Keep the path clear. When I find Lord Shimura, we need a quick escape.
I'll get the horses ready.
Do it. If I'm not back soon, ride for the forest.
Ini kayak bunuh diri ya. Mohon maaf. Mau bunuh diri lalu. Jin. Mana? Itu dia. Sini bro. That's it. Dikasih cuma 3 pak. Nggak susah lah. Tapi kadang kalau buset, sakit amat. Kaget juga orang kalau gitu. Apa ini? Dodge arrows. Aduh, ada. Doso. Ya. Udah kan? Push lagi. Halo. Harus fokus pak ini pak. Yes. Jago banget gila. Ayo lu, sini lu. Gak usah bergayaan. Udah kan? Ini cuma prajurit biasa nih. Capek. Waduh. Guan Yu. Mirip Guan Yu sih. Rambutnya aja nggak panjang.
Nephew of Lord Shimura. I've come to avenge his honor. Your uncle has told me much about you, Jinzaka. I will show him his nephew, broken and humiliated, begging to join the Mongol Empire.
Berarti Khotun kan juga Khotun kan juga tahu lah kita hebat kan, makanya diajak gabung tadi. Oke. 1v1 battle. Ayo mas. Aduh, anjir. Wah gila. Oh iya di atas itu. Ayo serang dong. Masa saya mulu yang nyerang? Aduh, gila. Wait. Waduh. Ini sih gila, Pak. Nggak bisa nih. Alalala. Nggak ada heal lagi. Oh kalah emang kalah, Pak. Emang harus kalah. Iya gila, badan dia segede gitu. Air kayaknya air. Ya kan? Air kan? Siapa? Oh, ayahnya. How? Aduh, banyak flashback nih. Young Master.
You must listen to me. You are now the master of Arasaka. You're not alone.
Oh, ini masih damai.
Bring back your mother
Bagus banget ya.
burns in the trees. You will tell her that your father's child.
Oke. Yuriko.
If you ever need guidance, plan of action will help you.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Terima kasih, terima kasih. Oh, ini dia. Oh, enggak deh, bukan. Kirain saya Lord Shimura ini. Siapa itu tadi? Pasti karakter yang punya nama di sini. Ini dia, Lord Shimura. Uncle. Lah. I'm back. Kamu sekolah online ya? Udah kelar ya? Ya. Online ya, Bos? Yes, always with you. Selasa baru oh, berarti Selasa masih seling ya, kamu kelas 4 ya. Selasa tuh bukan libur ini, libur Ramadan, Senin Selasa. Tanggal berapa sih? Iya 45 tuh libur ini buat Ramadan bukan? Ya, sebenarnya kalau dimainin malam-malam nih enak. What's this? Aku liburin cuma Jumat. Jumat tuh libur apa emang? Oh, kemarin libur Jumat kemarin. Iya. Emang ada apaan Jumat kemarin? Apa itu? Lambang apa itu? Awal Ramadan. Jumat. Ramadan itu Sabtu kan prediksinya awalnya, cuma karena isbat jadi Minggu kan. Katanya padahal belum. Iya belum. Makanya antara satu sama ini Sabtu atau nggak Minggu, ternyata Minggu kan. Itu bisa slide gini pak. Ini tuh kayaknya open world ya. Follow the wind.
Jin, what happened?
Ini mah open world gede banget. Aku udah ini sekalian beli sama yang ini. Apa director cut. Tadi kan udah milik kuda tuh. Milik kudanya aku yang ini. Yang deluxe pack, digital deluxe edition. Jadi kalau beli yang deluxe edition doang dapatnya. Kalau beli game biasanya nggak dapet kudanya. Oh oke. Tadi aku namainnya Nobu dia, Nobu. Kamu pilih kuda warna apa? Iya, yang deluxe edition itu warna coklat kalau nggak salah. Nih. Nah, nih. Buset. Tuh tadi tuh yang itu tuh, ada hiasan-hiasannya gitu. Tadinya aku pengen yang putih. Cuma yang deluxe edition aja lah, daripada nggak kepake kan itu. Masa sudah beli tidak kepakai. Dah mana. Oke, ini. Mana? Nah, ini nih. Enggak deh. Saya ininya warna biru deh. Kak, kamu daripada live gambarnya nggak terlalu bagus, mending buat video. Enggak bagus kok. Coba di ini high quality. Kualitasnya di 720. Itu settingannya coba. Di aku bagus kok ini. 720 pixel. 60 fps lagi. Coba setting dulu. Sama pak ini pak. Tuh saya ada armornya kudanya. Oke. Kau bisa 1080 p, nggak bisa 1080. Paling tinggi udah 720. Tapi 60 fps kalau yang 720. Oke. Prolognya bagus banget gila. Waduh. Keren. Act 1. Emang kesini? Enggak dong. Lake Izuhara. Apa ini? Tsushima Island. Kenapa gak di max aja? Grafiknya ini udah max. 180 itu nggak bisa. 1080 itu nggak bisa. Ya kan aku pakai yang PS4 Fat Tail. Oke. Rewards. Oke. Assassination. Itu skill kita ya. Ini apa? Battle of Sensei Ishikawa. Ada 9 kali. Coba deh ini deh. Yuk, kita ke Yuna. Ayo. Swipe. Oh, swipe up. Tuh, ada armornya buat. Mantep gak? Mongol territory. Oh, jangan. Kalau mau yang 1080 harus PS5 atau enggak yang PS4 Pro deh kalau nggak salah. Atau enggak ya harus pakai ini PC. Buset. Oke, sana. Halo. Waduh. Halo. Ya, kenapa? Jelas lah orang ada di map.
These people saw Mongols marching prisoners upriver. They had a blacksmith with them. Sounds like it. They were taking him to a camp near the Canada Inlet.
Oke, ini harus tamat sih, nggak bisa nggak tamat tuh, nggak bisa. Harus tamat ini. Days Gone udah tamat, Uncharted 1, 2, 3 tamat, tinggal yang 4 belum. Mau. Yuk. Ayo. Wah, ini lebih mulus Pak daripada Red Dead, Pak. Enggak sih, Red Dead udah paling bagus. Cowboy. Oh, bisa. Kemana Pak? Ke bawah. Sana. Oke. Berarti kita fokus ke satu misi dulu. Supply.
Mostly here. Your bandages was the trick.
You don't share much about how you feel, do you?
I suppose you're right. My uncle taught me that a samurai masters his emotions, like you master a horse or a blade.
It's a hard way to live.
It's not supposed to be easy.
Ke bawah gak sih? Atau ke atas? Oh, ke bawah ya? Oh ya, ke bawah.
There's a spot up ahead that overlooks the river.
Should give us a good view of the Mongol camp.
Oke, naik sini ya.
that place
Di
was
mana?
again.
Di mana campnya?
There has to be a way. Let's look.
Mana? Campnya mana sih? Lo di sono lah.
We need to reach the top. We thought we could have been
Ini apa? Bulan-bulan. Oh ini. Ada arrow. Ini apa?
Scale the rocks on that side.
If they're loose, they might give way. Alert the guards.
Oke, kita coba cara lain.
Could be a way.
Nah, kita masuk dari gerbang ya.
Look for a gap on the front door. Slip inside.
We'll cut down the Mongols where we stand.
If something goes wrong, they'll kill the prisoners. I've seen them do it. We have to go in.
Fools.
What's wrong with you?
Before the sunset, this army was full of criminals. We changed this and created order. Delivering justice is illegal. We need a code of honor.
Udah terbentuk banget ya.
Most likely, Father, was just looking to give us a say-so for him.
I want the same thing. But we have to fight back.
Promise me, never let go code.
Then bend it. To save my family. And what's left of it.
Susah juga sih.
Let's get closer to it. This is a lot of it.
We should wait until it gets dark.
Susah sih kalau kayak gitu, Pak. Kalau Taka, siapa Taka? Oh, kakaknya dia. Kode keras gitu, Pak. Samurai. Apa sih kayu buat apaan? Nggak tahu lah. Alright. Akankah kita bakal assassinate? Ada dua. Lu punya dua ini. Oh, satunya pendek ya? Oh iya, satunya pendek. Ini supplies. Aduh. Udah. Rusak sudah kode kerasnya. Apa sih? Rusak, dilanggar.
What do you think, Ginger?
Yes, running with the vent. Your arrow wounded.
This is the beast is most dangerous.
Kak, kalau PS4 2 juta dapat paling yang kayak aku, yang fat kayaknya ya. 2 juta lebih deh. Second tapi nggak baru. 2 juta lebih, 29, 28 kali ya. 2,9, 2,8. Mendekati 3 juta. Mana bear track sih? Oh ini ya. Oh ini. Sono. Ini. Coba aja cek ini buat Tokopedia atau nggak Shopee. Kalau kamu ngeceknya di GS Shop mahal, Pak.
Yes, if it's still alive.
Kira-kira yang baru ori sama sticknya satu berapa kira-kira aja? Nggak tahu, 45 kali ya? 45. Mana sih? Hilang, Pak. Mana tadi ya? Ini ya tracknya. Ini dia. Examine.
There's a gash in his side. Not from an arrow.
Oh,
Traitor! You would stab the stone in the back! Rosakai!
Criminals. This man here.
Tried to kill you! I must answer for this crime. His life.
Look into the eye. Chichichi Samurai never accepts anger or fear. Take his life.
oke. Korban pertama kita. Ini dia. 345. Tergantung kamu belinya yang mana, ada bundle-bundlenya gitu. Jadi sekali dapet PS 1 stick sama 3 game. Respect.
This is what makes us samurai. Cowards from the shadows.
Itu berapa PS 1 stick 3 game kemarin terakhir ya, itu berapa bulan yang lalu itu 5 jutaan deh, 5 jutaan kalau nggak salah, coba cek lagi aja, aku juga nggak hafal soalnya. Tunjukin lagi.
Jin, what's wrong?
Ditanya lagi what's wrong.
It's funny, but
Sudah melanggar peraturan samurai. Oke. Like a thief. Setnya shot juga nih si Yuna nih. Oke, ini. Alright. Udah. Oke. Fine Saka. Oh, di sana ada lagi. Ih. Apa ini, Pak? 25 supply. Ini arrow nih. Ha. Supplies. Lumayan. Oh, ada supplies. Ya, dapat banyak nih. Guys. No, ketahuan dong. Buset. Gila. Taruh dah, bunuh dulu dah itu dah, sendiri doang kan. Squeeze under. Oke. Buset. Aduh. Kok tiba-tiba susah begini, Bos? Nah, dah aman. Sito. Dia nginjek api, Bos. Mas, bangun, Mas. Lah. Oh, masih ada.
Yeah, prison. That's right. No, it's not Taka.
Buka aja dulu ya. Oke, bisa naik ya. Orangnya dalam sini. Jadi kayaknya kita aman. Hai. Ya. Supplies banyak nih, supplies nih. Nah, ini ada apa ini? Supplies. Banyak banget, Pak. Gila. Wah, sia-sia saya masuk sini. Dapat banyak nih supplies sama ada artefak. Mana? Oke. Yuk.
Let's get to the river. We'll be safe. Are you with the straw hat warning?
Ini apa ini? Pohon-pohonan.
Lord Shima's
Bambu.
I could use some extra swords to kill. Are you looking for work?
Ini apa lagi? Bunga-bungaan. Flowers. Ada lagi nih. Ini kayaknya buat obat-obatan. Nggak butuh obat sih. Kan bisa nge-heal pakai skill. Ada bambu lagi nih. Ambil aja lah ya.
Said they were moving the slaves. Where?
And there was a blacksmith in the last group.
Taka's alive in Oslo Bay. I have a friend who might be able to get us inside.
Siapa?
Jin,
Oke.
Taka will forge whatever tool he needs as soon as he's free.
Oke. Berarti
After that,
tukang kayaknya si Taka nih.
Stay. Help us fight for our home.
home
Oh.
is wherever Taka might go. My friend lives inside my prefecture, on the border of Switzerland.
Ntar siapa enak aja.
I know this wasn't easy. All against his will. Thank you.
Tuh kan kebiasaan sih. Ini dia, Uncle Shimura.
My men control it. They build war camps near your town. is here, everywhere, and they will find me.
Lord Sakai fought in his last breath. His reward. You love him.
Ya of course, orang dari kecil. Dimainkan emosinya ya. PS berisik banget. Halo. Point of no return. Your scope. Technique point. Technique point buat apa? Oh, oke, ada skill ya. Perfect parry. Roll to roll. Kayaknya nih. Saya ambil ini deh. Dodge slash. Oh, ini parry-parryan ya? Oh, bang, sambil nge-heal bisa nggak? Apa ini? Sakai. Oh, ini. Oh, ini dia. Ini dia skinnya dari deluxe edition. Oke, pakai skin, pakai. Ini apa? Charm. Oh, dapat charm juga. Oke. Outfit. Baju. Wih, bagus Pak, gila Pak. Baru-baru udah dapat baju. Oh, topeng. Boleh masker corona ya soalnya. Wah, gila. Kok keren nih. Tiba-tiba udah begini aja nih aksesoris. Seruling. Oh, masih belum. Oh, ini saddle. Pakai yang inilah. Udah. Teknik. Oh, tuh bye aja lah. Orang punya satu aja. Ah, gimana coba? Tak. Oh, 2 kali. Buset, banyak juga ini. Collection. Ada artefak. Satchel. Duh, saya males banget baca-baca begituan. Yuk. Udah. Jin Sakai, gila. Mantep gak bajunya? Mau. There you go. Naik. Ada apa itu? Bunga. Lumayan, ini ada apa ini? You would. Jangan lewat jalan berarti kita ya. Berarti lewatnya ya hutan-hutan kayak gini. Feelingku nih ininya nggak bisa lebih cepat lagi apa? Jin Sakai. Ini bagus sih Pak. Apa lagi nih kuda? Lihat bawah. Op, terlalu jauh, terlalu tinggi. Apa itu? Ada supply. Lumayan. Maaf kuda. Bagus banget pak. Anda lihat itu. Apa ini?
Have you seen the birds, Lord Sakai? The golden ones. Songs that remind you of more peaceful times. I believe it, my lord. If it weren't so dangerous, I'd follow one. See where the golden bird leads us.
You should live with my home.
I will, Lord Sakai. Thank you.
No problem. Cara ke seberang gimana ya? Lalu apa ini? Ada bambu. Lalu cara ke seberang, oh ini. Maaf. Lagi terus. Maaf, permisi.
My lord, would that be the blade of Clan Sakai? That is one worth knowing. I've heard
Permisi.
beauty, but I never dreamed I'd see it in person.
Masa panas banget ya.
Honor to see the blade in action.
Ini apa? Apa ini? Halo. Hah? Gimana? Oh, L1. Hah? L1 harus satu-satu ya? Oke. That's it. Gila, cepet banget ya. Aduh, salah. Itu salah. Aduh, salah. Ini dulu. Oke. Satu lagi salah. That's it. Oh, dapat resolve. Terima kasih.
The Sakai steel is a truly fine blade, wielded by an even finer swordsman. The training of bamboo.
Terima kasih.
There are bamboo stands throughout the island.
Berisik banget gila nih PS.
Farewell.
Ke mana? Ke sana. Mana sih? Setnya bobok kuda. Kenapa bobok kuda? Taruh bawah kudanya. Masih terus. Itu dia. Halo. Alive? Ya iyalah. Gak ada yang tahu kan?
Where is this soldier? To the forest. I can show you the way.
Gila, bajunya udah bagus ya. Ya, keren.
What stories?
Wis.
Not the ship, but he shot a pirate captain from the shore. Right after Port Fleet.
Di mana? Ntar lu ya, ada bunga itu. Sebentar. Nah, ada. Nggak ada.
The sensei's dojo is up there on the cliff.
Dojo. Tinggi bener.
One more question, my lord. May I ask why the sensei at this post as archery master to climb Mount Laurel? No one knows. Strange. Giving up service to a great lord. Yes.
Apa? Yaudah yuk kita naik. Oh iya kan ada kuda ya. Ngapa jalan kaki? Nah. Yuk naik. Punya kuda jalan kaki. Ini ya kiri ya. Motong jalan. Set deh. Gak ada akhlaknya. Oke ini footprint. Ada supplies nggak? Nggak ada ya sudah. Mana Pak? Balik lagi. Ini anginnya balik lagi. Oh ini masuk sini. Oh, dual shock battery level low. Dicas dulu. Ini ya, dari mana? Ini. Udah kering katanya darahnya. Sensei Ishikawa. Kayaknya ke atas sini. Halo, assalamualaikum. Ishikawa.
Survive, Komoda. I was on my way when bandits attacked me.
Expecting them to return?
Samurai is never caught by surprise. I'm sorry about Hoshimura. He was a good man.
His life. The captive fighting the most.
There's hope.
That's why I've come.
Help me save him. I can't. The student is missing. A skilled archer.
I'll help you look. And we can both help me free Hiroshima.
Try and keep up, Sakai.
The Tale of Sensei Ishikawa. Waduh. Mau mabar enggak? Saya lagi live streamnya lagi seru Pak.
Besides us? I don't know yet.
Mana kita?
Track your student.
I need no help tracking Tomoe.
Tomoe.
Woman. From what clan?
Peasants. She can outshoot any samurai I know. Even you, Sakai.
Last time I saw you was 10 years ago.
You came to study with me.
You remember?
Remember most of the
Kau belum ada panah belum ini? Lagi ada panah nih, lagi mau belajar.
Tomoe as your student.
Bagus gak buat nih, buat baju buat. Set. Gila. Ada skinnya juga lagi pedangnya. Gold. Wah. Monggo. Eits. Ya. Oi, doso. Sini lo. Aduh, kena kok. Doso.
Fight that drunk Tanuki. They fought well enough at Konoha. Even Tanuki can catch a tiger when it's sleeping.
Terus kita kemana? Ayo sensei. Ya udah yuk. Oh, ke kiri, nggak ada tracknya lagi. Oke. Belum dimakan itu nasinya. Ya itu detektif. Berarti bener si Tomoe itu yang diculik atau dibawa, nggak tahu deh saya. Tadi katanya pengen nemuin si Tomoe kan. Iya.
Not that the Mongols use it against you. Where would they take it? Fort Nakayama.
Fort Nakayama di mana lagi tuh? Go with Sensei Ishikawa.
What do you do? We lost in the bed. The Mongols fought like animals. I saw with my own eyes.
Terus pakai apa? Taruh saya mau ngelut. Ya, itu ada bambu tuh padahal. Lord Nagao saha? Oke. Half bow. Berarti nanti ada long bow ya. Big bow, long bow sih kayaknya. Atau full bow. Mana nih? Oh, situ. Nah, ada bullet dropnya. Oh, belum ada itu tadi ya. Buset, 4 yang nonton. Banyak banget. Jarang-jarang saya dapat 4 views. Biasanya cuma 1, 2. Fort Nakayama. Ini ya base-nya ya.
I'll find a way. Open the gate. Hit them. You always charge into battle with your Hakama half-tied. You have a better idea? No.
Send men to find the missing patrol. And open the gates. Strike.
Nggak sabaran ya.
Survey the battlefield. What can we use to our advantage?
Nests. Unshackled stoken.
Mongols will face the sting of insects and arrows.
Ini apa? Bom. Barrels kan ya. Api. Bisa kebakaran juga.
Still. Gates open. Distract the enemy. Rain arrows on their heads.
Storm the fort. Free tomorrow.
Free tomorrow.
Opening the gates. Lead to my city.
Ambush udah nih. Panah ininya ya. Santai. Nah lo. Ayo lo. Aduh nggak kena. Wait. Tunggu dulu. Oke, sabar, atu. Ayo lo. Aduh, kena inian dong. Barrel dong. Wah. Udah ya, udah kelar ya. Udah gitu doang. Ya udah. Kirain saya bakal ada yang gimana gitu. Oh, ada. Mana ini? Aduh. Nggak headshot loh. Kena tuh. Kena nggak sih itu? Alah, pakai pedang aja lah. Ribet bener. Dah. Not bad, Sakai. Ini ada supplies. Arrowku tinggal berapa? Tinggal 2. Halo. Buset. Digebuk. Aduh. Mati dong. Udah gila ini. Cara ngelock musuh gimana ya? Nggak bisa di lock musuh nih. Lah. Buset, lawan beginian aja. Astaga, itu apa sih? Dari mana sih? Nantangin lu. Atasnya dulu deh. Sini lu. Naiknya gimana naiknya? Nah, sini nih. Satu-satu apa? Sabar. Buset. Masa mati sih? Mati juga. Males banget dah. Ini males banget nih begini nih. Back to one. Kayaknya kita tidak boleh. Oh udah ya. Jangan. Arrow tuh kalau full tuh 8. Hah? Kok nggak ada? Oh ada tuh. Matiin dulu nih panah-panahan begini nih. Hah? Kok udah ketahuan? Buset 3 kali. Kuat banget lagi nih. Banyak banget. Bos, sabar bos. Aduh. Tolong. Mana sih? Oh ini. Buset, mana itu yang mana? Oh di sono. Astaga. Buset, panahin aja terus bos. Ini temen. Alah. Astaga, ini panah-panahan kayak gini nih males banget ya. Ntar lupa masuk dulu dah. Mati kau. Nyeker dia. Nggak ada ammo. Pieki naiknya. Naik sini deh. Mana lu, sini lu. Doso. Nggak usah so mantep. Dah. Heal dulu. Doso. Lumayan kan 4. Ada arrow. Masuk sini yuk. Ada something gitu, supply. Nggak ada. Sudah. Supply. Apa ini? Apa sih itu? Kimono. Sini dalam sini ya. Assalamualaikum.
Scroll. Archery terms from Mongolian translations. Your name is mentioned. Who is teaching them? I need a bow. A survivor.
Ntar dulu nih ada supply. Oke. Apa ini? Hmm? Hmm? Kok? Ya pengkhianat dong. Ya kan? Pengkhianat pak.
Let's go. See? Only one her freedom. What happened? Pushed her too hard. Pushed us how? What are you hiding? Sensei! I demand an answer. She attacked me.
Hmm?
What vengeance? Good morning.
Why? Easy deal means to be samurai. You drove her to the wrong house. Do not lie to me. I gave her Dongwei. Teach my way of the world to do. No stop. You need you. No, you need me. To do this was my words. Not weapons.
Iyalah gila. Luar Shimura gitu loh.
When the time comes, I will help rescue my uncle.
Oke, berarti kita nyari Lions dulu ya.
Rescue my uncle alone. Need more people to join our fight.
Lady Masako Adachi. Masako. Siapa tadi? Madako, Masako. Kok lupa sih gitu aja? Real Legend. Rose. The Wandering Samurai. Oh, maximum health. Darahnya jadi lebih banyak, Pak.
Fight. They were surrounding like wolves. I need to find new methods to keep them at bay.
Kunai. Udah ya? Kagak usah lagi ya? Ya udahlah. R1, oke. Pencetnya R1 ya. Kunai. Ini penting sih, perfect parry ini penting, Pak. Terus agar damage against swordsman. Ini juga bagus. Oke. Udah ya. Tadi mana sih? Oh, ini ya. Ghost weapon. Ya dah. Let's go. Collection. Exploration. Oke. Inari. Gear. Oh, gear panah ya, panah baru ya. Oh, nggak ada skin ini. Kunai. Jurnal. Tales of Tsushima. Ini boleh deh. Ini boleh nih. Side quest. Lady Masako. Naik berarti ya. Gelap juga. Halo hewan-hewan. Aduh, maaf. Op. Lah lo. Kok jatuh? Nobu. Sono. Ini bambu nih, lumayan. Buset. Aduh. Mati dah nih si Nobu. Dipakai loncat terus. Loncat lagi Nobu. Loncat. Oh, ini air, pantesan nggak meloncat ke situ. meters 70 meter 80 meter kiri. Oh ini sini. Oke, ini dia. Halo Sensei, kita ketemu lagi. Ya. Halo.
Any word on tomorrow? Yes. I'm not sure we're ready for that. You make it sound like to me. It's not far from that. Tomoe is fierce. She's not samurai. She is a born killer. No, not.
Gak ada. Sensei and the student.
Why does she turn against you? You must have been harsh.
Bulan.
You don't know what's his fault.
Bulannya terang banget. Ayo.
Sure you can make it, Sensei?
Gimana? Ini. Oh gitu. Nggak usah mencet silang berarti ya.
You need a hand, Sensei?
Masya Allah, ada jalannya di sini. Disuruh manjat.
I say you
It's good exercise.
get mature and practice this. Always this time.
Hah? Apa ini? Oke, turun. Dia mana begitu jauh ya? Itu 100 meteran. 80 sampai 100 meter. Kena apa kena? Kalau kena sih gila nih orang. Bus, kena loh. Perfect parry. Oh ya, lupa. Kok ada dogi. Buset, jangan saya yang dipanah. Kunai. Doso. Ya. Lumayan 3 kunai. Halo. Ha. Mantap.
How many wars have you fought?
One.
I can see where Tomoe attacked. A lot of tracks. A dozen men, maybe more.
Follow the trail.
Sini.
Captain, keep moving.
Do you plan to use your soul this time?
We find out.
No,
You take the enemy soldiers without me?
if I must.
Ngos-ngosan dia loh. Saya juga nih ngos-ngosan. Sabar. Yuk lari lagi. Kenapa nggak pakai kuda aja? Nah, ayo, Lord. Oke, oh udah nyampe. Sampai. Oh kiri. Ayo. Halo? Oh nggak bisa. Sucks. Aduh. Sensei. Oke, banyak terus nih. That's it. Kocak. Lau ngapain sih? Oke. Oh benar-benar loh. Udah. Sini dulu, bebasin dulu. Oh, itu kakek-kakek berantem situ. Ada shieldnya. Buset, kok nggak kena sih? Ntar lu kek. Tadi ada notif. Apa itu? Kunai full. Iya ya, nggak pakai kunainya ya. Ya. Ada supply lumayan. Sabar ya, aku nyari supply dulu. Nah, ini ada apa nih? Ya ilah, begituan doang. Kirain apaan? Nah, kan ada kan supply kan? Ya kan, ada something kan? Loh, ngapain ke bawah sini? Udah, ya.
Do you see a Japanese woman with his Mongols?
I couldn't believe it. She was giving him orders.
What did she say?
Something about this. And the husband. That's all I remember. Forgive me.
That's okay. Berarti emang yang diincar si sensei itu tuh. Ini bapak-bapak, Pak.
She mentioned here she screams.
She's just getting started. Sakai, the way you fight, it's not your uncle's way, it's not mine.
Hmm?
Even if you face the young man like this, I do what I must to defeat them.
Samurai is a guardian. Killing Dutch mountain thief.
So cold.
I've seen enough. I know it is brutal, but I won't train another monster.
No, I won't let that happen.
Udah ketahuan ya masih.
See you in the dojo.
Oke. Sensei and the student. Nggak langsung. Kirain saya langsung dapet itu. Level pass. Kayaknya kita Masako dulu deh. Si Lady Masako dulu deh. Efisiensi. Cham tuh kayak jimat gitu ya. Ronin attire. Ini deh dulu deh. Ada 3 nih misi. Nobu. Sini Nobu. Mana Nobu? Nah, sini kau. 1,2 kilo. Ke sono. Sono. Nggak bisa loncat ya. Terus. Ya. Terus. Perasaan di awal-awal cepet larinya. Ayo Nobu, ayo. Bambu. Half bow upgrade available. Bisa di upgrade ya? Apa itu? Oke. Ini ada bandit atau Mongol sini? Halo, sinilah. Agak mati-mati. That's it. Apa ini? 28 supplies. Hidup biar nggak kesakitan. Alah, Mongol. Nobu mati dong. Lari, Nobu, lari. Set. Tajam banget nih pedang tiba-tiba. Lah. Yes. Oh, bisa. What? Apa ini?
They've taken the bridge. We were running for Yoshi's rings. The bridge looked safe. The Mongols were in the ravine. They started shooting from below. Anta, my brother's boy.
Tell your family to stay clear of the bridge. I'll stop this.
Ya, kita bantu orang ya. Save for later. Ntar aja ya. Ntar ya. Saya punya misi soalnya. Side questnya banyak banget. Emang Mongolsnya dari mana? Atau dari bawah? Ayo. Masih Mongol teritori semua. Terus what? Apa itu? Tahu. Adachi. That's it. Oi, buset, tiba-tiba loh.
Tell me where she is.
Bukan Mongols. Bukan Wede. Mantap, udah 2 jam. Iya, saya ketagihan. Apa ini? Apa tadi itu ada pencetan? Ngebak kali ya? Sini nih. Kalau kudanya hilang berarti orang selamat. Kalau masih ada berarti nggak selamat. Katanya sih gitu. Oh iya, udah nggak ada. Berarti kayaknya selamat nih. Linen. Jadi kita harus kemana? Apa yang dicek? Apa ya? Open buat ke belakang. Stablesnya cuma ini doang. Atas coba. Nggak ada apa-apa, Pak. Wait a minute. Oh ini. Ya, jelas dari tadi. Malah dipukul, kocak. Maaf Nobu, maaf. Berapa kali dia kena pukul ya? Saya kebiasaan ini segitiga dah. Maaf ya. Allah. Ke bawah. Buat terus. Oh, ke kanan. Ini nih. Ketutupan daun, Pak, udah lama kayaknya nih. Nggak baru nih. Oke. Kalau ini kayaknya ke sini. Ini kudanya. Wush. Oh, udah tua Lady Masako, pantesan.
This new samurai escaped Kunda.
Siapa? Oh, ini mati dibakar tadi ya di awal ya.
If your clan joins me, I can save my uncle and avenge your men.
Dachi is dead. Massacred by our own people.
Traitors. Why would they kill those who swore to protect them?
I intend to find out.
I'm coming with you.
No, do not set aside your concerns for mine.
Family of Sunlight are my concern. I know what needs to be the last of one's concern.
I cannot be responsible for your death.
You won't be.
Oke. Nggak akan tanggung jawab ya kalau kita mati ya. The Tale of Lady Masako. Lady Masako. Masako. Jalan. Oh, di spawnnya tuh bulat. Dari tadi aku mencet silang.
They were waiting to finish what they started. The Night Walkers were incense to face the Mongols. The assassins kept it the flame. My sister took the child. I stayed with my son's wives to fight off the Tatars. And then I was the only one.
That's how it went for me.
Oh, kurang. Oke. Awas, awas. Oh, barengan. Ngantuk, Pak. Ngantuk, ngantuk. Nabu. Ya.
Sorry, my dear Jason. Have you seen these men before?
No. They were from the prefect.
He made a well-planned attack on the Sunlight estate.
This was no abandoned war. Someone wanted to eliminate Rex.
Capek sendiri saya ngomong.
You'll have to go with me. Find the monk named Sogan and tell him the fate of Clan Abachi.
What are you planning, Mrs.?
Indulge me. Once you've talked to Sogan, find the woman. She's with Clan something for you. I want you to have it.
Thank you.
I will wait for you on the other side of the temple.
Assalamualaikum.
Are you in charge here? I think of myself as more than social. Please, call me Chunshi. This temple of hating for the people. If they cannot make the journey, there are also camps around the world. I supply them with all the food. That's good to you. I'm looking for one of your fellow monks. A man named Sosa. I believe he is with me. Thank you, Chunshi. Continue with your work.
Ini apa?
Lord Sakai! It's good to see you.
Gonjo, right? You saw
Gonjo.
Navarro. He was a good man. Sorry we lost him.
I'm honored you recall our humble household servant. So many of us here owe you our lives.
I'm afraid the fact was just as they were.
That's why we want to help, my lady. People started donating what they could, and please,
Gonjo,
Aduh.
everyone else was contributed.
we'll keep donating what we can. Here and elsewhere is where we feel victory spirit. May the coming keep you from harm.
New gift. Apa itu? Collect. Oh, ada ini. Topeng. Buset, digosipin bos, digosipin gitu ya. Halo, terima kasih. Armor.
The armor. It's one of the finest ever made. Let me get it.
Samurai Clan Armor. Oh, ini Mayor increase to health, reduce all damage by moderate amount. Ya elah, ini bagusan ini tapi pak. Waduh. Banyak banget nih side questnya. Halo. Apa sih, suruh ngapain? Suruh ngapain pak?
It suits you perfectly. The quality is incomparable. It will serve you, but if anything isn't to your mind, I can always make alterations. All I need is the right materials.
Oke.
What would you like to improve?
Oh, samurai. Cuma ini doang yang tadi kagak bisa di-upgrade, Pak. Nggak, ntar dulu deh. Ini bagusan yang mana sih? All damage increase to health taking damage. Oke. Aduh, itu bagusan itu padahal, tapi ya sudahlah, pakai inilah. Halo, Mas, halo, Mas. I am Sakai, a samurai. Of course. I'm the last samurai.
Is anyone suspicious about Steve Temple? We provide him.
Please tell Lady Masa she's welcome to take refuge here.
Thank you for your time.
Yuk, bisa yuk, satu live, satu game. Nggak mati aku besoknya kalau begitu. Nggak bakal sampai tamat lah. Ini paling nih, lihat aja nih. Mana ya? Oh, bisa enter Legends mode. Paling apa namanya, masih dikit banget nih, belum banyak. Besoknya sekarat koma langsung kalau satu live satu game. Iya, of course I got the ammo.
It's well.
It belonged to me. She resisted.
It is not known. I spoke to the monk,
What did Shogun say?
who offers you refuge in his temple.
Since the family's kingdoms in the family. We need to move.
You think Shogun is behind the losses?
He visited my home just before the resistance. The last of
This is what is good.
it burns my suspicion.
First, I took the monks to the grave. Wait to cover the treachery.
Kita main Mount and Blade lagi dong, tapi harus di PC. Mount and Blade emang aku pernah main. Ayo, tante.
Stay close. Can't miss you.
Mount and Blade lagi. Oh, Mount and Blade itu apa sih? Itu apa nih, Mang? Kenapa aku bacanya pakai lagi ya? Padahal nggak ada laginya loh. Alright, ada bambu situ. Ambil dulu, bro. Game, iya game apa? Kayaknya dia panik banget. Perang kayak gini tapi masih lebih bagus. Ntar aku coba, aku lihat deh. Aku nggak beli game lagi nih, namatin ini aja dulu. Overcooked belum. Ntar aku main Overcooked solo ya. Nggak ada, udah jalan sana. Buset, dekat banget ngikutin ya. Oke. Pakai bow dong. Enggak, ini apa namanya, suruh ngikutin buat, bukan suruh ngebunuh. Dibunuh mati, gagal misinya. Langsung panah gitu. Suruh ngikutin bot. Oh, dia kerja sama bandit. Bagus lu ya. Oh ya. Oh gitu. Oh gitu. Berani lu ya. Oke, ayo stand off nih. That's it. Ngeri lu, takut lu. Bandit ini keahlian kagak punya. Eh. Ultinya mencet apa dah? Oh ya, kunai. Kenapa nggak pakai kunai, bro? Nah. Lah bajuku kok gini, gelap-gelap gitu. Tadi perasaan biru. Aduh. Kok sadis amat, bro? Mati dong. Sadis amat itu. Oke. Kita ulang. Jangan nafsu ya. Satu. Kocak. Salah, Pak. Iya, mati tiba-tiba. Salah. Ini ya, stand off-nya salah. Si tol. Salah, Pak. Harusnya di hold dulu. Nah. Aduh, nggak kena. Buset, udah mati ya, pantesan. Set. Kunai pakai. Buset, nggak ada kunai. Nggak bisa. Ayo lo, sini lo. Wih, masih ada tombak. Anak mana lu? Aduh. Buset. Nggak ada kunai. Udah kelar ya? Udah kelar kan? Masih ada. Gila, satisfying banget, Pak. Pedangnya. Halo Sogen. Halo. Mana kau? Halo.
For who?
Knowledge just doesn't end suffering.
I buried my family, one by one. It took days.
Kubur satu-satu.
Tell us what you saw. Our world has changed. Many visions rise to faces. And those in the must be heard.
They were children!
Ya, nggak dapet apa-apa kita, berarti nggak dapet info, nggak dapet apa.
Is this the definition? There has to be something we can use. Such I'll do the things in here.
Ini apa? Kosong. Oh, ada namanya. Sogen Sadaoman. Yuk, turun. Udah. Halo lady. Taruh. Udah aku pasang SW ya. SW apaan? Apa ini? Lo bisa ke bawah. Lo ke bawah gini bos konsepnya. Keluarnya gimana lo? Ayo. Apa apa sih? Coba lihat. Tonton lah. Ih, 64 subscriber ya? Naik tuh. Tadi 63. Mantap.
When my uncle hears of this, will not rest until the traitors pay for what they did. Help me. We will bring down everyone who hurt it.
Together, when you need help rescuing your uncle, I will be there.
Thank you.
Until that time, I will work together.
Halo Nobu. Pasang SW yang lihat kamu. Nambah, oke, mantap. Dapat 2. Berarti kita ini. Oh, outfit. Oh, ada ini baru pak. Ini aja lah, bagusan. Tadi apa, teknik Ghost. Safe landing. For hearing. Hidden blade. Enggak, ntar aja itu. Against for man for all step. Aja kali ya. Ini nih boleh nih. Satu. Exploration. Nggak butuh banget. Ntar aja. Ini butuh. Bagus nih, dah. Yuk. Next kita kemana? Luas. Ini apa? Waduh. Oh, ini mah side quest doang ya. Nah, males lah saya lah. Sumpah pak, males pak saya pak. In side quest kayak gini. Ini boleh deh. 1. Ini males banget. Pengen langsung aja tamat dah gitu. Nggak ribet-ribet. Kemana kita? Ke sana. Ya berarti naik dulu. Ke kiri, oke. Ayo Nobu. Lumayan tuh bambu buat apa sih? Nggak ngerti ya. Golden Temple, ini dia. Masako. Maaf. Tiba-tiba loncat. Makanya 1 live 1 game nanti kalau kamu koma. Channelnya buat Ea. There she is. Oke, ini dia. Oke.
Lady Masako.
Dari Masako.
The reviews of Sophronius kills.
On the list we found, Sada is at the top. He's the head man at Kutu Forest.
What does people sell to plan? Why would he turn against
Ini ngabuburit kan ya jatuhnya ya.
Ungrateful traitor. He has been appointed Sada as head man, and he repaid that kindness with bloodshed. I learned
Bloodshot.
he fled Kuta the night my family was murdered.
It's just that you survived.
Sada is a deceitful snake. His brother, Hachi, is a fool. He just passed by the temple collecting food for the refugees.
He will make an unspiritual delivery to his death.
Ngantuk banget.
We will be there to teach.
The Headman. Ya.
After what happened at the inn, I didn't think you'd visit the temple again.
I came to watch for Sada's brother. And mourn for Hachi's
Saya tidak ada kunai.
Your family a proper funeral? After my father died, I said goodbye to him that same night. But how please my pain?
I buried her.
When's the last time you slept? Or ate?
I had some rice and fish yesterday.
Okay.
The youngest warrior needs a full belly and rested soda.
Lord Sakai.
I won't dare.
My sword almost just fine.
Kenapa kita nggak pakai kuda? Ada kuda nggak? Masako ya, naik kuda Masako. Oh nggak ding, dekat.
I've caught up to Hachi by now.
Which way do you think you went? Both roads must travel. Let's search the area.
Aduh, sakit.
Muscles, look. And then caught.
That's Hachi. Sada's brother.
Get away from him!
Oh, nggak boleh, harus diikutin. Keren harus dilawan. Kocak.
Leave me alone!
Aduh, buset. Aduh. Ternyata udah deket, nggak perlu maju ini.
Just leave me.
Oke, itu dia. Oke. Buset, rame tuh. Bandit.
Forget the letter. Follow his horses.
pelan-pelan. Sabar aja, sabar, santai. Oke, mereka masih di situ. Ambil bunga dulu boleh kan? Masako mana Masako? Halo Masako, oh, itu situ dia.
Sada's cousins. You must be hiding there.
Don't know that.
But we will soon find out.
Oke. Duh, matiin aja, mati bang. Udah matiin aja. Udah matiin aja, udah nggak apa. Nah, gitu yang bener, salah mulu. No. Aduh. Ribet bener. Loh. Gitu dong, satu-satu. Nah. Ada lagi. Woi, doso. Nggak ada lagi. Arrow yang nggak ada lagi. Buset, di bawah. Kok jadi di bawah? Tahu? Halo Masako, taruh dulu, ada arrow. Lumayan.
There's someone in the house. One of them too.
What will you try first? No trust. I'll check your little guards.
Nah, apa nih?
My name is Sasa. Who are you?
No, Sada's wife.
I found this innocent. The mama who's looking for family.
Where is this?
I don't know.
You're lying.
She'll help us. She can't stay here.
Take me to my institute.
She's going to kill me.
No harm will come to you.
Oke, second chance ya. Nggak boleh dirubah lagi ya mesti. Nggak boleh dirubah, nggak boleh disia-siakan sama si Masako. Aduh. Gak, lu mau baca-baca deh. Jurnal. Aduh. Sebenarnya tuh perlu gear, ada yang baru tuh. Pedang. Hah? Enggak, ini nih. Charm. Enggak, udah ini aja. Oh, bisa fast travel. Upgrade dulu kali ya. Kita upgrade dulu deh. Halo sobat-sobat.
Another samurai? Alive? I thought Lord Jinroku was the only one.
Jinroku siapa?
He's in custody. I'm sure he'll be happy to see you. Curious to meet him.
Di mana upgrade ini sih? Ini ya? Oh iya benar.
The katana of Clan Sakai, an exquisite weapon. For me, every blade is unique. Plausible as a person, Lord Sakai, bring the materials I need, and I would be honored to improve such a fine sword.
Ini bisa nih.
Your blade is ready. Apologies, you don't have what we need to do the work.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Oh ya. Oh, ini lumayan nih, ada supplies nih. Gosipin aja terus, Bu. Buset, ada 2. Oke. No problem. No, Bu. Oh, belakang ke belakang. Kuda kagak kesandung apa ya? Oke. Op. Emang harus turun dulu. Jauh bener. Sana yuk. Dut. Angin. Terlalu tinggi. Tinggi banget. Garing ini. Uhu. Oh, terlalu tinggi. Nggak bisa. Harus sini berarti. Yes, boleh deh stand off. Nggak usah lah banyak banget itu. Lari. Jauh amat ya. Jalan jauh amat. Mohon maaf, ini kapan siangnya ya? Dari tadi malam aja nih.
Careful, my lord. This path is dangerous.
Apa ini?
Just for sunlight. Little priestess. What are you doing?
My duty, tending the shrines. When the war ends, people will need these holy beings to mark their path, so they can find the sacred shrines and pray for the Kami's protection. Yes, the paths are too treacherous. I tried to visit the nearby shrine, almost fell to my death.
Maybe I can teach it. As a whole, I find every tree and creature on my page.
If you get there in one piece, pray for our island, and take an memory charm for yourself.
Oh, memory charm.
And the charm will change your fate.
Perhaps the fate of our home. Thank you.
Follow the three gates. They will lead you to shrines all across this island. And no one knows
What? How? Alah. Karela ya. Nobu ayo Nobu. Kabur dari sini Nobu. Ayo. Cabut. Oh, tinggi banget. Saya lupa saya naik tadi. Oke. Oh, tinggi banget kok. Kadang suka nggak kelihatan. Terus gini aja. Nah, turun manual. Alah. Nah, disitu panggil si Nobu. Nah, dia turun sendiri. Nah, jauh banget ini jalan. Hah? Kok ada yang kayak nangis gitu sih?
Do you know the tale of Padawan?
I know his name. I have not heard of his exploits.
It's long believed the army Padawan war granted him great power. But it would be disastrous should it fall into the wrong hands.
I can't let that happen. I'd like to hear more of this story and this honor.
The musician Yamato may be able to help. He told me the legend in Azaz, near the river that separates it from Sutsu.
Trapper.
If you have hides to spare, I can offer you something in return.
Hah? Oh, ini. Oke. Belum. Dan saya sudah nyampe di situ. Nah, ini dia. Oh, blood on the grass. Grass. Topi. Topi apakah ini? Apa ini? Ini siapa? Kok dia kenal? Oh, Ryuzo.
Mercenary now. Professional warrior. Maybe you can help me. I'm looking for your leader. He died on the beach. You were there too. Lost a lot of friends. We all did it. We can avenge them if we work together. Help me save Lord Shimura.
He's alive. The straw hats are built. Stone. I can't ask them to risk their lives for one man.
Even if you can name me a price.
Okay.
Once we free our home, Lord Shimura will pay you anything you want.
My men might be interested.
Your men.
I look out for them. Someone has to stop.
Oh, Mongol.
We have a deal?
I'll think about it.
Hold your ground.
Buset, kagak mati-mati. Mana doso-doson? Ini. Ajar. Kurang ajar. Woi. Gila, sakit banget itu. Bagong. Buset, kuat banget. Wes, banyak betul. Sini kau. Ajar ya. Mati. Aduh. Bolak-balik. Bingung sendiri. Jutsu.
Kill them all!
Aduh, panahan. Oh gitu, perfect Pak. Jadi langsung mati. Nggak bisa itu merah. Nice.
Don't let them surround us!
Archer dulu. Dosa. Aduh, banyak merah men. Buset. Ngapain lau? Aduh. Hei. Pusing kan? Yes. Pusing kan? Sabar. Ryuzo. Namanya Ryuzo ya. Suka lupa dah. Buset. Satu kunai. Yes. Ya. Banyak banget. Oke. Apa ini? Water stance. Against shield man. Segitiga. Oh, segitiga terus. Di spam. 1, 2, 3. Oh iya, benar.
I was out here hunting for food, and I'm returning to my non-completed. I'm not alone. Take me to your camp. We'll figure something out. Just as the old times.
When was the last time you saw each other?
2 tahun berarti ya.
The tournament ended.
That's all. They needed a new soul.
never visited my uncle's castle.
There wasn't work.
I would have helped to become a retainer of Clan Shima. You only had to ask.
I made my own.
Apa? Kenapa?
Another wagon.
Might have something we can salvage.
Empty. Samurai! Samurai!
Is this your wagon?
Yes, my lord. Mongols stole my horse, took my rice.
It's all lost.
Which way do the Mongols go?
Toward Fort Ohira.
Take refuge at the Golden Temple. One knows the stay off these woods.
Ini sudah murni. Kalau kamu udah, ntar adek mau ya.
Ngapain?
Dia mau
I
main
meant what I said
Main
before.
apaan om?
Help free Lord Shima.
Main apaan?
Grant you anything in his power.
Ya berdua aja sama kakak.
Iya di sini.
Name your price.
Free supper.
Is that all?
Place is big enough for all my men.
Be serious, Ryuzo. I know you want to
Malah minta minum dia.
It's been 3 years.
You can't have been easy keeping the Straw Hats together after Komodo Beach. How did you do it?
I convinced them nobody could save me.
Banyak supplies. Ayo.
How many men do you have?
Down by half, but still enough to put ourselves in small armor. Why?
That peasant said the Mongols stole his rice and went to Fort Ohira.
You think they're putting through it?
Possibly.
You have an idea?
Beginning of one.
Easy shit, it's me. Ben, this is my old friend, old Saka.
Ryuzo told me you were starving. Here to help. We have a plan. Raid Fort Ohira and take back the food Mongols have stolen from our people.
Give us a moment.
Terus gosip terus aja terus. Orangnya di sini digosipin coba.
Permit me this respect.
Through here, Jin. You run with the straw. I've got the spare set for my horse.
Better not have the lights.
Spare armor in the chest.
Spare armor. Dapat armor lagi kita.
You're not as handsome as me.
We should check your folks' defenses.
Okay, not bad.
My men will handle that.
We have a deal?
Get us that food and we'll get your uncle away from the Mongols.
Thank you, Ryuzo.
Just remember who's in charge of the straw hats.
I will never dream of replacing you, my friend.
Give us a heads up. We'll meet you at the old cemetery.
See you there.
Oke. Oke, dapat satu. Your legend goes. Oke, maximum health increase. Black powder. Meledak. Smoke bomb. Sticky bomb. Ini bagus. Sticky bomb bagus nih. Boleh deh sticky bomb. Udah berapa jam pak? 3 jam. 3 jam. ini bagus nih. Oh ini aja deh, samurai. Oke, sudah dulu deh, capek saya. Ronin. Yes, mantap dah, terima kasih. Aduh.